What up, though, y'all? So, good morning, good afternoon, whatever part of the world you in. Yeah, I just made a little quick little snack. Some wings, some hot wings, and some ranch. I grabbed them. They look good, right? Alright, y'all. So, how everybody day going? What you got going on this Friday? It's Friday the 13th. Yeah. I put some hot sauce and honey on my chicken. If y'all ain't tuned into my last video, or my other video, tune into all my videos. I appreciate the love, the support. I appreciate y'all helping a sister out. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that, for real. And all y'all negative Deputy Downers who wouldn't get in front of the camera and show your true self. Y'all go play with somebody. Go play with yourself.